In this quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to install the brand new Christmas emails and SMSs to your account so that you can send off your yearly Christmas message to your database. First of all, the admin user of your Locked On account will need to go into Engine, go down to Packs, hit View All, and let the packs load. Once the packs have loaded, you'll need to hit the Update pack for the special events to install the 2 emails we give you and the 1 SMS. Once that is finished updating, you'll then be able to go into the Engine, into your templates, and inside the email option, you can search 2023 and you'll be able to see our Easter and June ones we've given you, but you'll now see the Merry Christmas dark version and light version. Let's just have a look at the dark. You'll notice that it's a dark color with a really nice GIF on it, your logo at the top and a message. If we close that and we look at the light, you'll see it's a different background color. Same logo at the top, same message. Whichever one you pick, you may want to edit the standard text we've got. One of the common things people want to add in here is the office hours during the Christmas period. Simply hit the edit option and you'll see the text appear on the right. Make any changes you want to the text or add in any extra text, and at the bottom of your screen hit save. When that is saved, you can then hit save and close to go back. So pick which version you want to send, make your changes and save it. If you're going to be sending an SMS as well, which we suggest, as SMS has a really great bake-through and you'll get really nice replies from your clients, hit the SMS option and in here again search 2023 and you will see the Merry Christmas 2023 SMS. To edit the text in this, select Edit and you will see the message appear. It's best if you don't touch any of the merge tags. So what we really want you to edit is this in-between text here. Make the changes that you need. You can see that this one is 320 characters using 3 credits. And you could reduce this if you want, or you could make it longer. There's no limit to how long or short it can be. At the end, it's going to send from the agent's name and the office name. Once you finish making your changes, you can save. So let's look at now how we send these email and SMSs to our clients. We would highly suggest that one time a year you send your Christmas message and SMS to your whole database, buyers and sellers and everyone that you have in the system. To do this, hit Clients, go Send, we'll look at SMS first and hit Send SMS. If you do not have your SMS account set up yet, please contact our support team and we'll be able to show you how to connect your SMS. It will tell you how many mobile numbers you're going to, and in the select template you can type 2023 and pick the Merry Christmas SMS. You'll have an option at the bottom here, Sending As, and you can pick to send as one agent, which will all come from Luke Newton and his mobile number. But the best option to do for an office is to pick Primary Assigned Agent. This means it will send from the agent who is working that particular client. You can then choose to send now or send later. So if you're thinking of sending this on Christmas Eve, I could actually book this in for the 24th. I might like to send that at 10 a.m. and then I confirm that it's going to 30 and I hit send and it's booked in to go at that time. If you want to send this on the day you're leaving the office, you just hit send now, confirm, and it will send that day that you're closing your office. To send the email, you'll follow the exact same steps by hitting Clients, using the Send Email option. It will bring up everyone in your database who has a valid email, and you'll then be able to type 2023 and pick your dark or light version. It will then load the email as a preview. Your text will be updated. You'll then be able to use the Sending As if you want it to come from one person and their email, or using the dynamic send is our suggestion using Primary Assigned Agent. The same options apply, send now or send later, and then you confirm and hit send. This will then deliver your Christmas message to your clients. From all of us at Locked On, we want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a safe and happy New Year, and we look forward to chatting with you in 2024. All the best.